If you haven't watched our other contributor Joe, who is a regular on the RideShare Guy, he's been having a little bit of gripe lately with Lyft, and I get it. A lot of drivers have been having some gripes with Lyft lately, especially the smartest decision in the world by some jackass moron who said, "Hey, gas prices are down. Let's take 55 cents off the ride." And what we were going to give the drivers because to help offset. And when that happens, gas shoots up $1.50 or something, and it's ridiculously high in California.
Unreal.
I have not seen anything change, which I'm okay with. But they just announced that they are going to be adding a new fee.
Yeah. You know. I laughed at this so hard. This came week after they got rid of the 55 cents. Hey, people, passengers, you know what? We should have a town hall of passengers. I think that'll be a wonderful idea. You know, this is how badly you guys are getting screwed, passengers. You know, so Lyft goes, yeah, we take the 55 cent the peanut from the drivers because gas prices took a shooting up to 7 in California, but that's okay. Guess what? Oh, wait, we'll take that 55 cents. We'll never return it to the to the passenger. We'll just keep it for ourselves. Because like you know who said this, right? You know who said this, the same problem that they're having. The insurance costs rise, right? You know, does this company truly follow Lyft to the T? Because Dara on our interview said what? Oh, insurance premiums have tripled over the last 4 years. That's why the cost of insurance are so high. That's why our take rate has to go high. And I did an article on the new statement, by the way. It came out amazing. So we're definitely going to hit those with screenshots of mine. Beautiful article. So people, please go read it. It'll probably come out next week. And I'm like, of course, that's what Lyft did. Take it from the poor, the driver, give it to the rich, Lyft. I'm like, you know, you would think they take the 55 cent surcharge away to help the passenger lower the cost of the ride. No. They go right. I'm like, bro, I'm so sick of this shit. It's not even
Cheeky. Funny. I gotta do a special shout out right now to Cheeky because I keep seeing posts about around the area and Bills Mafia and that. So go Bills. Gotta take the little shout out there. But yeah. You know, this is the problem that you're going to start seeing. You're going to start seeing these things tack up. And then all of a sudden, you know, you're seeing 50-50. Then you're going to start seeing 60-40, you know, 75-25, the opposite way of what it should be. And then it's like, well, here, we're going to throw you peanuts at that point.
Well, I heard Formica like peanuts.
I'm assuming, but here's the thing. Like, what?
No, go ahead.
Okay, yeah, but you know, this is what you're going to start seeing. You're going to start seeing, oh, we're going to have more service fee because of this, and we're going to have more of that. And
on the new statement, service fee is turned into commercial insurance now. I mean, seriously, I think it's one of my better articles. I broke it down like piece by piece. If anybody doesn't like this article and spams my blog, I'm going to find you and get you. Okay. So Vinny, I got to give Vinny Cuz a shout. I've been watching, he's another one of these guys, no BS kind of straight up kind of guys. He has his own little YouTube channel, but Vinny, welcome to the show. So yeah, this service charge is now turning into commercial insurance on the driver's statement. Have you seen your statement lately? And then once they take all that out, Uber's take looks like 8% because Dara said 20% will be fair.
Yeah.
So that means so transparent now.
Well, that's the thing. They're saying, oh yeah, all this money is going towards commercial insurance, and they're 8%. So what he's basically saying is he wants to take more. So what you see, what I see, what all the drivers are seeing is passenger pays X, driver gets paid Y, and then Uber takes X or XYZ, whatever, Z, and Z continues to grow and grow and grow.
Yeah, definitely. And you know what the thing is? The funny thing is, I was when I was doing the article, I do deliveries as well as rideshare, right? My rideshare statement looks completely different than my delivery. On deliveries, there is zero transparency. It says
Uh,
your fare and your tips. At least on the driver's statement for rideshare, it says this is an aggregate of what the passenger paid. These are
yeah.
all your deductions. This is all the. If you believe, if you believe those premiums, that they're charging the passenger. By the way, this is not coming out of Uber's pocket. Uber is just making their take rate look lower by saying that, service fee is lower because we're paying for all this. And just like Lyft, we showed, they're complaining about higher insurance rates.
Mhm.
I'm like, at some point, everybody should be an LLC and go get their own commercial insurance, because it's outrageous what you guys are paying for so-called
Yeah.
commercial insurance.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.